Good morning, YouTube. Northern Bass Whisperer here, out here on Lake Nineveh. I don't know. I can't say it, but it looks like a beautiful place to be. Hopefully there's some big fish in here. I'm out here with my buddy Stefan. I know he's excited to catch some fish. Yeah. Took us a minute to find it. We went the wrong way at first and wound up on some private roads, and my sincerest apologies to all those poor people who just wanted to sleep in on Labor Day weekend, and my Subaru had to wake them up. So, if you're watching this, my bad. Well, I'm not going to waste much time. I'm going to give a little topwater action out here next to these pads. Oh, Jesus. There we go. It looks like Stefan's going to start off with a little frog in action on the grass. It's a good idea. Yeah, I've heard there's some pretty big fish in here. Both bass and trout. That's what I heard. There we go. Fish on. Little guy, not fighting much, but just coming pretty much right over to me. Oh, there we go. Come here, mister. He doesn't want to come in. Little smallmouth, I believe. Yeah, I saw that. There we go. Awesome. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, it's the smallest size. They get really big. I've heard from people that I should really upgrade to at least the 130 size. I've got the 90, and then there's a 110 and then a 130, and then I don't know how big they get. But considering the success I've had on even the small one, I think I definitely need to bump up the size. See the school of fish feeding around that log? Oh! Oh! Something just swiped at it twice and didn't get it. Give it another run through there. Kingfishers are like, get out of here.
Oh, I actually have a fish on.
Awesome.
Oh, it's a little funky.
Nice pickerel. Yeah. Perfect. That's a nice fish. Oh, he got me right in the weeds. Oh, That's a beautiful smallmouth. Yeah, it is. Holy fuck. Wrapped all up in the cabbage. That is a nice smallmouth. Woo! Thanks, bro. It's a nice smallmouth. So what I caught that beautiful smallmouth on was on just a tungsten jig head, and then it was the Biospawn Exo Swim. So that's Biospawn's new swim bait, and I had it in the electric shad color, and I really like this color, and apparently that smallmouth did as well because he hammered that thing. So we'll had to rig up a new one because he took that one, but we'll see if we can catch some more.